the B-Hyve Bluetooth timer. It's a hose idea, and be sure to put a filter on there. I'll link that in the description to prevent clogging of the emitters. This is a Orbit product, Bluetooth ready. It takes two AA batteries that go upside down for some reason. I'm not sure why that is, but they click in there, and then you've got your B-Hyve, and then it's currently set for 360 minutes somehow. But basically, you turn the let's see, for 360. Okay, goes from 1 to 360 minutes. We just found out, and so we are watering wisteria pots. So we're gonna do. They love water. We're gonna do, but we're on a deck. We're up above on a deck, so it's gonna leak through. So we'll do 20 minutes, and then we'll select that by clicking the B-Hyve button. Oh, I'm on the manual cycle. I thought I was on the set cycle. We're gonna go to the set of the clock. Actually, that's what time it is already, and now I messed it up by twisting the dial. You can see how to set the time by twisting the dial. If you want to get to the minutes, you click the B-Hyve button and you swivel around to whichever minutes that you're interested in. And then it's on clock again when I click the B-Hyve, but we're closer to this time. And we'll check it when I am off the phone here, recording this live for you. Start time. Downstairs we have, at the ground level, we're doing a late morning. We can actually do this before that, so we're not PM. We're gonna do late morning because there's Manhattan and there's mosquitoes. So we're gonna do 9 a.m. And so that was by twisting the dial and clicking to get to the minutes, and clicking the B-Hyve to get to the start time, back to the menu and so you counterclockwise to the left. See that? Go to the next menu down. How long? Click to select. How long, like we did in the manual cycle, 20 minutes. Boom. Select to secure that, to save it. Then how often? Wisteria in pots every day. The other timer would only do every 1 day or 3 days, which is odd. 3 or 6 or 12 hours. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day. Oh, now it'll do it. Okay, so the first round is hours. I was reading that wrong. 1 hours. Every 3 hours. Okay, I was reading that as days. I've never seen it this way. So days, we're gonna do 2 days. Select. And to the left if we want to go manual. But we already did that, and then so off, if you want to select off, and then back to, it shut off. Okay, and so here we are back at the clock, and there's what you need to know, including get your filter at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.